Today we talk about how can you link your account on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to link with your account. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to connected services here, and here can you link it with your app. So here with your Spotify or with your Facebook. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.